Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund, Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable smart anti-tracking with automatic verifications in Samsung Internet. So smart anti-tracking is a privacy feature that helps protect your browsing activity from being tracked by website. And then I'll show you the modifications on Samsung Internet settings. So all you have to do is open up your Samsung Internet mobile browsers and then you need to click. And then once you open up and then tap the three horizontal lines menu icon in the bottom right corner here. So this is not all settings and then you need to click. And then once you open up, then here at navigation panel, so all you have to do is to swipe your screen to the left corner. And then you need now to select the settings gear button here. And then you need to click again. And then once you open up here at internet settings, and then you need now to scroll down and select this personal browsing data and then click again. And underneath here at personal browsing data, and then you need now to select this secret mode settings and then click. And then here at secret mode settings, and then you need now to select this smart anti-tracking. So all you have to do is to tap or click again. So here now at smart anti-tracking, and then choose how much protections you want from web trackers in secret mode. So here we have two options here that you need to choose. So either standard, so block all trackers except those required for sites to work. Sites will work as expected but ads may be less personalized. And the other one is the strict anti-tracking. So block all trackers, ads will have minimal personalizations and some sites may not work. So it depends on your preferences. So you can choose either standard or strict. So it depends on you, right? And then next, then here you can see this automatic verifications. And so this automatic verifications is keep CAPTCHAs on supported sites so they can't use data collected during verifications to track you. So if you want to enable or turn on this feature automatic verifications, just click inside this oval one time, toggle to the right, meaning it's enabled. Otherwise, you just click inside of it one more time. It's be grayed out and it's turned off or disabled. So it depends on your preferences on how you do this automatic verifications. If you want to enable, then toggle this button. And then if you want to disable, then toggle this button to the left to turn off. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful and guide you on Samsung Internet settings. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for mobile phone tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.